Hello everyone, welcome you back to another video. In this video we will be discussing this question. This is from GET 2001 and this is related to asymptotic notations. Here in the question, this is the fourth question. So f of n, a function is given and it is n square log n, and g of n is another function given, it is n into log n power 10. Be two positive functions of n, which one of the following is correct? So again we have to find out which one is greater. Okay, so by finding out which one is greater, we can relate them with each other by this bigger function, right? So now let's start. So n square log n is given and here n log n base 10 is given. So let's cancel out the common terms. Okay, so here n is given, so n can be cancelled out with this n square. Here n will left, and this log n can be cancelled with this log n power 10, and here 9 will be left. So at last we have n here and log n power 9 here. Okay, so by looking here you can say that this will be greater, but if you don't have any idea how to find out n is greater or log n power 9 is greater, just use the logarithm. So I am using logarithm on both sides. I will be getting log n here and I will be getting log n power 9 here, right? So this can be written as 9 into log n, because this is the exponent part, and this can be transferred to this place, right? So I am getting 9 log n. Between log n and log n, always log n will be greater. But even now also, if you don't have any idea how to calculate, then just use some of the examples. Here 2 log n is there, so I'll be taking n value somewhat like that, like if just 1 log n is there, right? So I can take that this is 2 power n, but 2 times log n is here, so I have to take something like this, 2 power 3, because 1 log n will cancel out this 2 and the second log n will cancel out this 2. So that's why for my convenience I am taking 2 power 3, right? So I am replacing with this value fn value. Okay, so I'll be getting 2 power 3 only, because log n, this 2 get cancelled, because if you will be taking the base value as 2, then this 2 will get cancelled and I'll be getting 2 power 3. But here what I'll be getting 9 into 3. Okay, because log n, I'll be getting 3 here and here 9 is there, so 27 we can get here, and here I will be getting 8. So some of you might think that we are getting 8 here in the left side, and in the right side we are getting 27. So 27 is greater than 8, that means g of n should be greater than f of n. But no, this is not correct, because for some values of n this can satisfy, but for larger values of n this may not satisfy. So again take some larger values of n and calculate it, right? So log n is here and log of log n is here, sorry, to power n. So now if I will be taking some value like 2 power 2000, right? So if I will be taking the n value as this, then here I will be getting 2 power 2000, here I will be getting 9 into 2000, right? So the 2 power 2000 is how much you can guess, like 2 power 10 is 1024 and 2 power 2000 is a very big number, but this one is like 18,000. So from this is proved that log n will be greater than log n power 9. That means from here only we have derived log n, and from here only we have derived log power log of log n power 9. So this one should be greater than this one. So now match the options. F of n, from we derived that f of n is greater than g of n. That means this one should be inside the big O function. So we should find out like something like this. G of n should be order of f of n. F of n equals to order of g of n. Is it true? No, because g of n should be order of f of n. And second option, g of n equals to order of f of n. Yeah, it is true, but f of n equals to order of g of n. Yeah, it is also true, because we can't write f of n equals to big O of g of n. because g of n is not asymptotically equal, so this will not also satisfy. That means this can be the answer, right? So option B is the answer. You can match and find out which one is true. So thank you.